Hello and welcome to the fifth video on command prompt series. Today we are going to discuss our next command, that is directory management command. So guys, till now we have covered our screen and navigation related commands. So those who haven't seen those video, I am going to provide link in the description. Kindly do watch. And now let us dive into the today's topic. Guys, before starting, here is a little disclaimer that we are going to cover the directory management commands in 4 small videos. Here is a plan. In part 1, we are going to see introduction and overview. In part 2, directory listing and viewing directory structure. In part 3, directory creation and deletion. In part 4, directory attribute management. So let us dive into the part 1 now, that is introduction and overview of directory management commands. These commands are used to create, delete, modify and organize the directories or folder. Let us understand this wording with an example. Suppose you are working in a machine learning project where you are dealing with multiple processes. Hence, it is having multiple type of files. Few are related to ETL and few are related to data analysis and similarly for machine learning model. So in case if you are not organizing these files into different directories or folder, then as the project proceed, it will become very hectic to search. But in case if you are organizing related files into different directory, then later part of the project it will become easy to search any kind of files. And that is why the directory management related command will become very important. Before diving into the intricate detail of individual command, let us first explore the properties of a directory through the GUI. And this is going to provide you a clear overview of its journal detail and attribute. And guys, once you have a proper understanding of these properties visually, it becomes much easier for you to comprehend and work with directory related command in the command line. So let's begin. I hope if you had followed the instruction that popped up on the screen, then you might have landed on this wizard. Now let us have a glance at this wizard. Normally, it tells about the directory journal details such as type, location, size, contains, along with the attribute like hidden, read only, and system file. But this is a GUI way to get the details of directory. But our aim is to access these details through the command line. For that, let us first check all the available command for directory management. Here I have segregated directory management command into 3 groups. First, directory creation and deletion. Second, directory listing and viewing structure. Third, directory attribute management. Please note that this is not a standard classification, but to make it easy to understand step by step, I have organized them in this way. So that's all for this introductory video. In next video, I'm going to cover part 2, that is directory listing and viewing directory structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such insight. Thank you for watching.